What's up, guys? This is Will H Tech Review, back with another video. And today we're going to be unboxing and taking a look at the Apple Watch Series 3. So I picked up the GPS 42mm version of it. I got the space gray aluminum case with black sport band. And as you can see over at Amazon.com right now, they have the price down to $229. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys want to pick this up. I know this is not the latest one that came out, the Series 4, but I didn't want to spend that kind of money for the Series 4 when you can get a great deal right now, which I think it is. I've kind of watch some videos on this device, and it seemed like it's still a great watch to have. So that's why I picked it up, and it seemed like a great price because I checked around other places, and the prices, this is about the cheapest you can get. So I guess you're wondering why I taking my time trying to cut this box. A lot of times if I have to ship things off, I'll reuse these boxes. So I like to keep them in good shape. So here's the watch. So I've had Apple Watches in the past, but I haven't had this watch. So I have been going hard on Apple lately with my AirPods, iPad Pro, and now I got the watch and the iPhone. So here's the box that it comes in. Pretty simple box. Trying to read some of the specs here. 42mm, like I said. And basically, you know, it tells you what's included and all that stuff. So quite sure you guys have seen the unboxing of these because this watch has been out a long time. But basically this video is just to introduce it to my channel. That way if I do some more videos, which I plan on, it won't be a surprise. You guys will know that I have it. So let's get it open here. See, Apple makes it easy where you can just pull that out. So wow, nice job. All right, so first thing you get here out of the box, designed by Apple in California. And let's see what's included in this. So let's put this over to the side. So you get Apple, you get watch there, and then these are the instructions on how to set it up, I guess. Welcome to Apple Watch, it says. Probably telling you how to put the bands on. And then you get your watch guide information there. And then you get an extra band and the charger. Let's see how you get the charger out of here. So here's the charger. Just kind of wrapped in there, look like it. And the band, I'm not going to take that out, but like I said, you guys probably seen these 1,000 times. So here's the charger. Just has a USB cable there on the end. And here's the watch. A lot of plastic on it here. All right, so feels the same. I've had them in before, as you can see. Here's the watch. Got a speaker, microphones there, and then here's the front of it. And you got your crown, your power button there, and then your sensors on the back. And the band has the size on it there, if we can focus. All right, come on, let's focus. There we are. So looks pretty good here. So gonna clean this up and then we'll set it up, guys. Okay, guys, so let's go ahead and try and get this paired up here. We're gonna go ahead and see if there's any power. So there's the power. Got my iPhone here. I want you guys steal my code. So we're gonna wait till it gets powered on here and see what all it takes to get this paired. I do have Bluetooth already on my device. and we'll get a chance to see how long this takes to boot up as well. Now, I'm not sure if I'm going to need the larger band on here or not. I haven't tried it yet, but this band is real soft, and I'm probably going to be ordering new bands. I'm not going to stick with this band, and probably screen protectors and all of that stuff, so stay tuned to that. But this is my iPhone XR, great device, and there it is. As you can see, automatically comes up on your device. Apple Watch, use your Apple Watch to set up, use your iPhone to set up your Apple Watch. So go ahead and continue. It's telling me that I have low battery over here, so I may have to charge this up a little bit. Yeah, it's telling me I'm gonna have to connect it to a charger. So stand by, let me get a charger, guys. Okay, guys, so I have the charger connected to it here, and haven't set up an Apple Watch in a long time. So put on your Apple Watch and hold it up to the camera. And push the crown. Okay, you got to set up English, United States. Open the Apple Watch app on your, and start pairing. So I'm going to go ahead and start pairing. So now I take my Apple Watch and align it with that. And there's the pairing process. So it has to go through this, guys. I'm not sure how long this takes, but if it takes pretty long, then I'll just fast forward the video and we'll get to the end part of wherever I need to get next. So we'll see. So it says set up Apple Watch. On which wrist do you wear it? I wear it on my left. So this is the terms of agreement and condition. So go ahead and accept that. And there we go. Sign it into your account. This may take a few minutes. All right, enable route tracking. Gonna disable that for now. Apple Watch shares settings with iPhone for a location. Okay. Create a passcode. Okay, let me create a passcode right quick. Off camera so you guys don't know my passcode. All right, that's the passcode. Heart health. Apple Watch can help you look after your heart. So what is this saying? Low heart rate notifications. I need, okay, that's good. Apple Pay, I will set this up later, Apple Pay. And then this is emergency SOS, continue. Install available apps, I'll choose those later. Your Apple Watch is almost ready. All right, so the Apple Watch is giving me Apple Watch Basics over here. And I think we're just about through, guys, so waiting to see what goes on next. And I think this circle here on the Apple Watch has to be completed right there. And then, yeah, it's starting to tick around. So I'll probably just fast forward this part and then let you guys see the end of it here. But it seems like it's moving pretty fast now, so we'll see. Okay, guys, so it's at this point where it did bring up this on here, Apple Watch Basics. So it tells you how to use the display, the digital crown, and the side button. I'm still waiting on it to complete a circle there. I can go into these individually and check them out. Tap to select, swipe. So it's telling me to swipe here and press firmly for more options. So you guys probably know all of this already. Done. So let's hit done. Then you got digital crown. See what it says. Press to return to the watch face. Done. And then side button here. See what it says. Press down to show dock. And done. So that's it. And the circle is almost complete, guys. So we'll see what it does after it completes its circle. And the Apple Watch is still showing that information. So hopefully we'll see what goes on here in just a second. Okay, guys, so we're at this point right here. Well, where it's telling me that your watch is ready. Please press the digital crown to start. So I just pressed the crown. And on the iPhone, it's telling me welcome to Apple Watch apps. Okay. And here's the screen on the phone. And you could go to Face Gallery, App Store, and I can search as well. So that is it for the setup. And one thing that I do like about this whole setup deal here is everything's black on here. So I'm probably going to stay with a black type band with a little bit of color in it. I like red, as you guys know. So here's the device here. I'm probably going to change this watch face here. If I can get it to do anything here. Maybe it won't do anything because it's charging. So there I am. I'm in it now. Let me put in my code. All right, so yeah, it'll let me change watch faces here. So I want to get to something a little bit better than that. That may be just the charging. I'm gonna do a traditional face right here. So for now, and let's see if I can see how much the battery's at 43%. And that's it, guys. So, all right, guys. So that's an unboxing and setup of the Apple Watch Series 3. Catch you guys in the next video. Will H, and I'm out.